Hey birdie lovers and learners, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is how to tame your bird. Taming needs a lot of patience. It can take days, weeks, months, or maybe an year. You never know how long will it take. Birds view you as a predator and they don't want to be with you. They think that you are going to harm them. So you have to understand their body language. You have to gain their trust. Well, if you will gain their trust, it will be easier for you to tame. And of course, you have to gain their trust to tame them. You don't have to lose their trust by grabbing them, by doing something which they don't like. So, to tame them, the first thing that you have to do is gaining their trust. And so the first thing that you have to do for taming them is understanding their body language and gaining their trust. So I don't have a new bird and my birds are already tamed, so I can't make video on how I tamed my birds, but I can give you some tips and ways by which you can tame your bird. So let's go. If you want to tame your bird, you have to remember these things. You should never grab your bird until and unless it's bonded with you and wanted to be grabbed. Or it's like cuddly bird who want cuddles. You should never grab a bird because birds can lose your trust forever if you will grab them. You should never chase them wherever they go. Just like if you will chase them wherever they would go, they'll feel like you want to catch them and you want to harm them, and they will just lose your trust and they never want to be with you. So never do these two things with your bird. If you will do, I'm not sure if you could ever tame a bird. If you will grab your bird, they will just hate you. If you will chase your bird, they will feel unsafe and they will not come nearby you. They will probably view you as a predator and will start hating you, will run away from you. So you should never do these things to your birds. So the first tip is by feeding them their favorite treat. If you will feed them their favorite treat, they will probably trust you and you can tame them very easily because they want to eat their favorite treat and they can just come close nearby your hand or anything just to get that. So food is key to success, so never forget food. Their favorite treat is key to success to tame them. So let's go! By spending time with them. Well, if you spend time with them, they'll probably understand you. They'll feel like you are safe for them. They'll feel secured, and slowly they'll start trusting you. So let's go. Bye. Bye. He loves my head. Number 3, by making them feel safe and secure nearby you. To make them feel safe and secure nearby you, what you have to do is keep your hand over their cage like this and let them feel safe and secured by your hand. If they will feel safe and secure when you are nearby them, they will probably start gaining your trust, and after you gain their trust, then you can probably tame your bird very easily. Tips that I can give you, and that's how I could help you. Hopefully you are able to tame your bird. So that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe my channel, and tap the bell icon to get notified about unlimited birdie content. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't leave me out here dancing alone.